Good morning, students. Welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. Today we are going to do the comprehension section of the chapter I cannot remember my mother. So let's start. Answer these questions. The speaker in the poem is A. An old man. B. A young man. C. A child. So he is a child. Which words or lines in the poem support your answer? So you have to write in your copy that lines in the poem that support my answer are. Now you have to go here. Here, a tune seems to hover over my playthings. From this second line, only sometimes in the midst of my play a tune seems to hover over my playthings. So these are the two lines that supports that the speaker in the poem is a child. Now coming to the which senses, sight, hearing, smell, do the following phrases refer to? A tune seems to hover is the sense. What kind of sense it is referring to? It is referring to hearing. Scent of morning service is smell. The blue of the distant sky, sight. How do the above mentioned things remind the poet of his mother? He relates all these things to her mother. All of you will write down these answers in your copies. Pick out lines from the poem that indicate that the mother had loved her child. So here are the lines. A tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. So these are the lines that shows that poet's mother loved poet a lot. So you will have to write down these two lines in your answer. Now coming to the work study. The poet mentions a few things that reminded him of his mother. For example, the scent of the morning temple service remind him of scent of his mother, and the still blue sky reminds him of still gaze of his mother. The scent of morning service in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. The above sentence can also be written as my mother smelled like the morning temple service. Similarly, the other things that reminds the poet of his mother can be written as the sound of my playthings is like the tune of song that my mother hummed to me. The distant blue sky is like my mother's still gaze on my face. Notice the use of word like to establish a comparison between two things. Such comparison that use word like or as are called as similes. So here identify the similes in the following sentences and underline them. So here the sun rose in the sky, a blazing ball of fire, like a blazing ball of fire. So here sun is compared to blazing ball of fire. So by the use of like, so it is simile. Nana come into dance hall smelling like a rose. So Nana is compared, Nana's smell is compared like a rose. So by using like, so it is simile. Zoya swims like a fish in the lake. So here the the swimming skill of Zoya is compared to as fish by using like. So here it is also simile. From a distance, the lava looked like molten gold. So here lava is compared like molten gold and by using like. So here it is simile. Rustam climbed the tree as driftly as a monkey. So here Rustam is climbing tree like a monkey. So here as word is used, it is simile. Now, the tense in the verb tell us about the time of action. The three main tenses are present tense, past tense and future tense. The simple present tense is used to express a habitual action, universal truth. So I go for walk every day. The sun rises in the east. The present tense has four forms. Simple present tense only mention the action, completeness or incompleteness of action is not mentioned. Present continuous tense tell us that action is incomplete and is still going on. My mother is rocking the cradle. Present perfect tense tell us that action is done or complete at the time of speaking. The helping verb has and have are used in the main verb. My mother has rocked the cradle. Present perfect continuous tense tell us that the action has started sometime in the past and is still going on at the present movement. My mother has been rocking the cradle. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense form of the verb in the bracket. So here the gather, pack, read, rehearse and celebrate are given. So you have to do this in present continuous tense. So I am gathering Shivli flowers for the morning temple service. Hari is packing his bag for the tour. I am reading Gulliver's Travel as part of literature project. The teacher is rehearsing in the auditorium. The children is rehearsing in the auditorium for the annual school day. My grandparents is celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary. Circle the now coming to the D question. Circle the present perfect tense form of the verb from the options in the bracket. So you have to circle the present perfect. So my mother has finished her course and is now reading a book. We have learned fractions and decimals this term. The tailor has stitched the shirt that I wear to the party tomorrow. Gotham have saved some money for the house rent. We have travelled more than 1,000 kilometers to reach Shillong. Fill in the blanks with present perfect continuous tense form of the verb in bracket. Jay has been working at All India Radio for 10 years. The machines have been operated at only half of their capacity all day today. Josh had been driving non-stop for 2 hours. Josh. Okay. Vikas and Heather has been represented their state in Ranji Trophy for 3 years. Here representing has been representing, not represented, so it will be ing. It representing their state in Ranji Trophy. The Smith has been living in Dimapur for 4 generations now. Okay students, in this way we have completed the comprehension section of the chapter, and next day we will start the new chapter named No Room for a Leopard. So all of you get ready for the new chapter. Thank you. Have a good day. I hope all of you have understood it well. If you have any doubt, you can call and ask me. And all of you complete your copies.